Spiders don't see you like a person. They see moving patterns of light exploding across their world. Have you ever wondered what a spider actually sees when it looks directly at you? The truth is completely different from human vision and far stranger than you expect. Every time you walk past a spider, it may not even recognize you as a single object. By the end of this video, you will never feel invisible to a spider again. You think spiders see blurry shapes, but some species can track you with shocking precision. Your face is not what a spider focuses on. It tracks motion patterns instead. In one experiment, jumping spiders reacted differently to real humans versus moving screens instantly. This means spiders are not just sensing movement, they are interpreting what they see. But how can a creature with tiny eyes process anything like a human brain? Their vision system works completely differently from yours, almost like multiple cameras working together. Instead of one clear image, spiders combine several fragmented views into one understanding. What if everything you assumed about spider eyesight is completely wrong? By the end, you will understand exactly how a spider sees you in real time. Imagine your vision replaced with 8 tiny cameras pointing in different directions simultaneously. Each camera captures a small part of the world, like security cameras covering separate angles. Spiders do not have one main screen. They merge all these inputs together. Some eyes detect motion, while others focus on detail like zoom lenses. It is like having a phone camera and motion sensor working at the same time. Jumping spiders use their front eyes like telescopes to zoom in on targets. Meanwhile, side eyes constantly scan for movement like alarm systems in your home. When something moves, the spider instantly turns its body to focus. Think of it like your brain switching between apps, depending on what matters most. Their brain prioritizes movement first, detail second, which changes how they perceive you. This means if you stay still, you almost disappear from their attention. But the moment you move, you become the most important thing in their world. Spiders are not seeing your face. They are detecting changes in light and motion. It is less like watching a movie and more like tracking flashes of activity. Once you understand this system, their behavior suddenly makes perfect sense. Most people believe spiders see blurry shadows, but that is completely wrong. Some spiders, especially jumping spiders, have vision sharper than many insects around them. In reality, they can distinguish shapes, colors, and even depth surprisingly well. This allows them to plan jumps with incredible accuracy, like tiny precision engineers. The myth exists because many spiders rely more on vibration than vision, but vision-heavy spiders depend on sight almost as much as we do. This changes how they interact with you, especially when you enter their field of view. When you move, your body becomes a shifting landscape of motion signals. They do not see you as one object, but as multiple moving regions. This is why sudden movement can trigger instant reactions from spiders nearby. In experiments, spiders tracked moving dots as if they were living prey. That means your movement can accidentally mimic something they would hunt or avoid. Now think about what happens when your shadow crosses their vision suddenly. To them, it can look like a massive threat or unknown moving object. This explains why spiders freeze or run when you approach unpredictably. But what happens if we test this in a controlled real-world scenario? Scientists designed experiments to simulate how spiders react to human movement precisely. And what they discovered challenges everything we thought about their perception. It suggests spiders may recognize patterns in ways we barely understand. So what exactly happens when we recreate their visual system, step by step? In one experiment, researchers used screens displaying simple moving dots instead of real prey. Spiders reacted to these dots as if they were alive, tracking them carefully. When the motion pattern changed, the spider's behavior changed instantly as well. This proves spiders respond to movement patterns rather than detailed appearance. Next, scientists introduced realistic human silhouettes moving across the screen slowly. Spiders showed hesitation, suggesting they detected something unfamiliar or too large to hunt. Then researchers reduced the silhouette into smaller moving segments of motion. Suddenly, spiders reacted again, treating those segments like multiple potential targets. This revealed spiders process complex objects by breaking them into motion pieces. To test this further, scientists used robotic arms to mimic human movement patterns. Spiders track specific moving joints rather than the whole structure of the arm. It was like they were locking onto key motion points instead of the full object. When movement stopped completely, spiders lost interest almost immediately. This confirms motion is the primary trigger for their attention system. But here is where it becomes even more surprising and difficult to explain. Some spiders remembered patterns and reacted differently the second time they appeared. That suggests a level of visual memory we did not expect in such small brains. Even more strangely, certain responses could not be fully explained by current models. It hints that spider perception may involve unknown processing mechanisms. So if spiders can interpret patterns, what does that mean for us? This changes how we understand predator and prey relationships in nature completely. Spiders are not just reacting blindly, they are making decisions based on visual input. This could influence how we design robots that detect motion in complex environments. Engineers already study spider vision to improve surveillance and tracking systems. Their multi-eye system could inspire new camera technologies in the future. In medicine, understanding simple brains, processing complex visuals could change neuroscience. Scientists at Harvard University study how tiny brains solve visual problems efficiently. This could help us understand human brain efficiency and even treat vision disorders. It also explains why spiders behave differently depending on how you move around them. Your slow movement might make you invisible, while sudden motion makes you stand out. That means your daily actions are constantly being interpreted by creatures around you. Evolution shaped spiders to detect what matters most for survival, not what looks detailed. This rewrites the idea that more detail always means better vision. Sometimes, less detail but faster processing is far more powerful. It raises a deeper question about how different animals experience the same world. Are we seeing reality, or just one version of it among many possibilities? What if every creature lives in its own completely different visual reality? Now think back to that spider watching you from the corner earlier. It was not seeing your face, but tracking your movement like shifting signals. You were not a person, you were a pattern of changing light. That means you might have been more visible than you ever realized. The thing nobody tells you is spiders may ignore you completely if you stay still. Movement decides whether you exist in their world or not. This explains why sometimes spiders seem to disappear right in front of you. They did not vanish. They simply stopped detecting you as important. So next time you see a spider, try moving slowly and watch its reaction. You might notice it tracking you in ways you never expected before. Subscribe if you want more science that changes how you see everyday life. Because next we explore how insects might see colors humans cannot even imagine. And the most mind-blowing truth is you have never actually seen the world objectively. You have only ever seen one version of reality, while spiders live in another.